Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the date on your Armitron digital watch with the 4 buttons. So what you want to do is to press and hold the reset button in order to arrive at setting the time and date. You are going to hear a small beep, and the first thing that you can set are the seconds. If I press the mode button, I can toggle between the different options. Here I can set the hours. Then I can press it once again in order to adjust the minutes. I'm going to go past that, and the first thing that we can set when it comes to the date is the year. Now, something really important on this Armitron digital watch is that you can only go forward. So this means that if you go past your year, you are going to need to go once again to 2000 and then go back to your current year. But something really cool is that this watch features a speed scroll option. So if you press and hold the start button, you are not going to go one by one, you are going to speed scroll. So you are going to go faster past 2099. So as you can see, when I arrive at 2099, it is not going to go to 2100, it is going to go once again to 2000. Now let's say that my year is 2025. I'm going to press and speed scroll a little in order to arrive closer. Then I'm going to release the button 2021, and then I'm going to go one by one. So now I have 2025. I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here I can set the month once again, one by one, or press and hold in order to speed scroll. That is very easy. I'm going to leave it at December. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and I'm going to make it the 30th of December 2025. So let's do that. Once again, the speed scroll function, I'm going to release it and then go one by one. Once you have set correctly the time, the date, everything, all you need to do is to press the reset button and you are done. Once you have set the time and date, the Armitron watch is going to calculate the day of the week for you. So it is going to be displayed automatically. In case you want to have the date displayed, we are going to press and hold the start button in order to see the year, the month, and the day of the month. So it is going to be the 30th of December 2025. When I release the start button, it is going to go back to the home screen where we have the time displayed and the day of the month, the 30th, and the day of the week, Tuesday. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to set the date on your Armitron digital watch with the 4 buttons. In case this video was useful to you guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, because I have a bunch of videos that are going to be uploaded weekly, so make sure to stay tuned. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.